Hey YouTube, we are at the trail. It stopped raining and I'm on my Black Hopi bike, and I just want to send this down real quick once my wife gets up there. Check the camera, there you go, because I want to send this. Ooh, it's muggy now after it rained. How's everybody doing today? Well, thanks for asking. I'm doing fine. Hot, muggy. She only made it this far. Oh yeah, squeaky brakes. Oh yeah. Feel the chunk. Feel the chunk. We're right next to the wife. We're trying to find that tree branch that I couldn't cut down yesterday. And it's not. Yeah, we're on the right path. This is where we're going right here. We come to cut that bad boy down. This is what we have to cut. I cut it here yesterday, but the handsaw just wasn't budging. So I brought the chainsaw and we're gonna try to get it chopped. I got that tree knocked down. The chainsaw putted out because it didn't have enough gas. Again, I didn't check everything I brought with me. I brought my extra batteries for the 9, but none for the 8 I brought. Whew. I'm on my Hopi. I'm out of breath walking this trail. There's no features on it yet because you gotta see where I can put them and stuff. So I'm gonna give you a full run of this one trail. It's not fully done because there's a humongous tree in the way and it has to be a go around because I simply don't got a chainsaw to cut that one down. So much glass. Okay folks, I'm out of breath. This is a full run and you'll see where it stops because of that tree. Let's go. Still learning where to go on this trail. So yeah, it's still a little tricky on me. Then we got this rock garden right here. And then, you know, you gotta take it slow because I'm still learning this. This right here, watch out. And then we got some uphill. And this is where I just cut that tree down. I'm in the wrong gear. And I gotta go through this mud. No problem. Come straight down. Don't hit her. Ooh, I don't think my brakes are that good. And this is where we have to go around. That big tree I can't maneuver. I wanted to bring the chainsaw and hack this off so we have a clear runaround. But that's what I got. Hey YouTube, if you came down this far of the video, thanks for watching. And I want to say something. We're back up where we started from, right by the cemetery, because we kept getting severe thunder warnings on our phones and we figured we'd leave because I got the chainsaw and stuff like that. And if you notice, I said something about my brakes not working. I watched that clip. My back wheel locked up and I slid at least 10 feet. So it wasn't the brakes, it was just the soft dirt. But if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the videos hit subscribe, and you know what to do. Get on your bike, send it, ride it out.